Well, it's nicely cleaned out now. A fair bit of crap came out of it. As you could probably see in the video where that piece of boot lining was there. See, it's all rusted across there on the top part, the bottom part. All this is rusted. It's actually rusted through there. So obviously some sort of seal comes across there. It's all rusted away. You see it moving. Oh, yeah. That's all. Oh no. Making it worse. Anyway. Shit. Hopefully it's not too bad. I mean, there's some rust there as well. You can see that dodgy job there, but it's kind of this section here, that part there, and around here, and there too. A bit worse than I thought, but it is what it is. Anyway, I'll vacuum that little bit up there and go through this again and keep going. It is what it is. Back to the fun. Alright, so started cleaning this out. This side of the driver's side, floor pan, looks really good. I haven't quite vacuumed there. I'm just going to get rid of the cabling first so I don't suck any unsuspecting screws up. This side, pretty good. That side, not so much. So, it's a massively dodgy repair job there. It's just a plate welded on with an arc welder again. I don't know why you use an arc welder on sheet metal, but here we are. So that's going to have to be repaired. Yes, so a bit of crap in there to clean out still. I'm just going to remove this gauge cluster. I'm probably not going to use it in this restoration, but I just want to get rid of it so I don't smash it because I don't want to damage it. And then at some point get this whole pad out. And continue cleaning. It's a bit of a pity, but I'll probably clean it out and sit on it for a year until I've got some other things done in the old house resto. But anyway, gotta start somewhere. So much fun. Alright, so just out here for a few hours tonight, maybe a couple of hours, maybe one, we'll see. It's cold, it's raining. Yeah, basically just going to start stripping out some things in the engine bay. So just the bits and pieces I don't want damaged and want to keep, that kind of thing. So, and these little clips, whatever rubbers that I've got, I mean most of them might be replaced, but you know, just start stripping it all out because it needs to come out anyway. So, you know, some of this wiring can go, maybe the engine mounts, they're going to change anyway. So yeah, I'll just take out bits and pieces, the wiper motor, eventually the brakes, and you know, maybe the lenses. That one looks alright, this one here is broken, but yeah, just tinker slowly, get some bits and pieces stripped off, put myself up a whiteboard there to keep track of it all. Get my mind in order. So just start with the strip out the engine bay, remove the dash, remove the fuel tank, remove the glass, and remove the vents. What I meant by that is those, because I can't recall what they're called. So anyway, let's get to it. Do another hour or so before I hit the hay. Let's do it. So just a quick one. I'm dismantling obviously all the loom and stuff in the engine bay. I'm just a bit of sticky tape there, driver side, lights. I'm probably not going to use all this stuff. I'd run a new loom and it's probably all going to be different anyway, but I'm keeping it, labeling it, just in case. So anyway, so yeah, you know, I got random bits. It's probably not the best way to describe it, but the bits I found in the car. The tow bar I took off yesterday, engine bay. So I took off the clips and put them in a bag, so I know where they are. Gauge clusters in there, and that's pretty much it so far. That's off the car, really. So just label things. Again, if I use it, sweet. If I don't, I don't. Yeah, just wanted to let you know. Make sure you label things. Especially me, I am very forgetful, and I'm sure I'll forget how to put this back together. I'm just inside the car because obviously the loom in the engine bay comes through the firewall here, so I'm just trying to untangle all the mess, but well, yeah, but it's a mess. So I'm just trying to get it all apart. It's mostly there except for this light switch over here. Just cannot seem to get it. Obviously this here clips in, but it's an awkward space. I just can't seem to get this off. I don't want to bust anything. Can't really see too much in here either. What's the button there for? Curious. Yeah, I can't do it from there. Anyway, I'll give you a report in a sec. No use filming in here because I can't see anything, it's too cramped. Alright, 2 hands. Well, 1 hand again. So, it is really hard to do things when you're filming with 1 hand. And I bent my fingernail back. Things go so well on camera, don't they? Oh, I knew that was going to happen. Just gentle with it. Alright, let's grab that. Yeah, also very good. Oh, the extra hole there for some reason. Oh. Look away, and you're gone. Well, pretty happy with that. A couple more things I think and that will be a night, I reckon, so go store these nicely away. What next? What next?